hot, man.
Okay.
Look how beautiful she is. You look like Angel. You look like Angel. Listen, I think, Mario, I've seen you somewhere, you know.
Where have you seen me?
Probably
I
on
think
your
my
For You
dream.
page.
I think I've seen you in my dream, you know, one day.
Oh.
I've seen you there like you could be my mama, Sita, you could be my wife, and all of that. Trust me. Imagine if you're having that face and I'm having that face, how our kids could be look like though. Just think about it.
It's gonna be some milkshake thing, innit?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What are you
Look
guys?
at me, look at me, look at me. How old are you?
What are you saying?
How old?
Are you 18? What's your name you?
Mariam.
إيه؟
مريمة شو اسمها؟
سليمة.
سليمة ومريمة يعني اثنين
مريم مش مريم.
مريم وسمية
سليمة.
سليمان. انتم تدخنون يعني؟
سليمة
سليمة تدخنون يعني جيجار؟
يعني
نعم.
لا ايش بيكم 18 وتدخن؟
Brother, I don't understand what you're saying, you know.
She be smoking and she's 18.
Let her do it.
I'm not
bro. That's my
18.
girl.
How old are you?
Yeah, that's my
I'm
girl.
20.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah!
That's my girl.
You're 20!
That's my girl.
Allahu Akbar. And you? And you? Suleyma, how old are you?
18.
Okay.
wrong with 18?
Talk to her.
Okay.
No, it's fine. You guys can not be okay with 18.
No. Since when? Stop rushing.
What?
Stop rushing. I want to go jihad of yourself.
What?
Hello?
Mariam,
Me?
have you ever been in UK before?
No.
I'm ready to fly you out. Just let me know when. So,
Wait, why are you like?
Can I talk to Mariam, please?
Oh shit! Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.